Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-FM 8-Track out of a 77 Buick LeSabre. This comes from Addison in Modesto, California, and Addison states that she's happy with the radio's performance. She just wanted the 8-Track section fixed, so I went ahead and did that. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Since the customer is already satisfied with the radio, I'm not going to run it through the full test. Just going to turn it on, make sure the radio still works. And there's our radio. Make sure we're getting sound out of all four speakers. Okay, 8-Track.
Oh, won't you take me to do? I don't believe a word they're saying me. I took one look at it alone and it's true. Such a Alice, you're the
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes back, so that takes care of that. That's all there is to test because the customer is already satisfied with the radio. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can call me at 928-533-9666. If you go on my website, that's barry's8trackrepair.com. If you go on my website, that'll answer your questions about my prices. And if you look up my work order, which is on the home page, everything that you really need to send in your radio is on just the home page on my website. So if you read the entire home page, that'll walk you through the entire process of getting my prices, options, turn times, packing a unit for safe transit, and all that. And saves us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. And of course, you are welcome to call me if you just want to talk. So thanks again for watching and listening, and thank you, Addison, for your business from California, and we'll see you guys next time.